welcome to my channel, and I want to say hi to all the new subscribers. Hello, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate it so much. You make my day every day, so thank you so much for that. You're so amazing and awesome. Today I'm reviewing the Wet n Wild Crystal Cavern limited edition collection. I'm really super excited to try it out. Today I'm reviewing the products while I'm applying my makeup, so today will be a little bit different. Let's just jump into it, shall we? I got brand new lighting. Awesome sauce. I'm really excited to get into this makeup tutorial, and I'm going to first start out with the eyeshadow. I already did my face, I already primed my eyes with the NYX Proof It waterproof primer. It's amazing stuff. A little bit goes a long way. And I'm not a fan of like how they have the packaging. It's all upside down. It should be like this side means it goes up, but it goes this way. I'm like, okay, because I thought it opened this way, so I kind of damaged this part. And then I looked, I'm like, it opens up like that. So this kind of, to me, doesn't make really that much sense. In my opinion, everything looks all upside down. But we're going to get into it. I'm going to do my base shade. And I'm glad that I have new lighting. Thank you, Jesus. So I'm using this shade right here with a lovely eyeshadow brush. A little bit angled, just so that we can get into the corner like so, and up into the brow bone as well. It's very nice for angling shadow shades. Great for the corner too, to get into the nooks and crannies. But I'm using this shade. I don't know what these shades are called. This is the Amethyst eyeshadow palette from the Crystal Cavern collection. I really like it a lot. It's purple and it goes with my shirt today. Awesome sauce. Matching. So I'm using that one. I'm going to start with the corner here. Nastiness. I'm going to start with the corner inside and work up, as you can see. And we're not adding too much. This is our base shade to add some color and a lot of more highlight to the eyelid and brow. It goes on really pigmented, so you don't want a lot like this. So you can always blend it out if you want to. Start now going on to the other eye as well, using the same shade. I'm angling myself like this so that way I can see in the mirror and you can see as well, hopefully. This brush is great for angling everything. Next application, a real breeze. And it picks up product pretty well. The other two shades are not that great for picking up pigment, which is kind of saddening, so you have to like really get in there. The next shade I'm using for the lid is this beautiful, bright, vibrant purple shade. And it's a shimmery shade as well. And you can see the product doesn't really go on too well. It's actually taking me some time to get the product onto the brush. And I'm applying it to the lid area, starting from the corner, working my way outward, creating like a line of demarcation so you can tell where you want your eyeshadow. Kind of like with hair cutting, when you make your first cut, use a line as your guide. Well, sometimes your line for eyeshadow could be your guide for not going too far. I always like to use guides for my makeup. So I have an invisible line of where I like to go. It takes some time to get used to, but eventually you'll have your own line of where you want to go, and it'll be simpler and easy for you. It's just, it doesn't really pick up too much on the brush. I have to really get in there. I'm not really a fan of that. I'm just not. I like the color shade, but the application kind of sucks. You're trying to pick up product. So far so good. I think that's the best you're going to get with the product. It doesn't go on too pigmented. It's not too purple. It's a light purple shade. You can probably pack it on with a better brush. Using the angled brush again, I'm going to use the light shimmery shade for the corner of my eye and a little bit in the inner corner as well to give it a little bit of hue and a little bit of touch of color. I'm taking the same angled brush that I just used a little bit ago, but I cleaned it off with a little bit of makeup remover, so it should be fine. It's not too crazy. It should work fine. Just going over here in the corner and a little bit into the crease, giving it a little bit of definition, and a little bit at the end, like so right here, just to balance out, kind of giving you like a cat eye effect a little bit, but not too harsh with like a lot of eyeliner, but giving you a nice subtle cat eye look, which is kind of nice. That's why I like doing it. Doing the same thing for the other side as well. This is one of my favorite looks to do, just so that way you know that like I really like doing this sort of look, and I'm trying to get better at doing it because I am not perfect at it, but I'm trying. I'm going down like so. That's why I really like this angled brush. It's very nice for detailing. I know it's not super fine, but it's good enough for me. Making sure everything's properly blended out the way I want it to be. I think that's good so far. So far I like the eyeshadow palette. I just have a problem with the first two colors up here not grabbing onto the brush like it should. It doesn't cling very well. Like the pigment doesn't pick up from the product too well. You have to like really go in, especially with this dark purple here. I don't know what happened with this one, but overall the colors are nice. I really do like this eyeshadow look that I created. So that's a little quick eyeshadow look for all of you. I'm going to go in with the same shade into the inside corner as well, giving that a little bit of dimension, and going into the lid shade a little bit as well, because that's a thing that just happens sometimes, so it's okay. Don't freak out if you go on top of your color. It shouldn't affect anything. Giving a little burst of color in the corner right here. Try and get the angles right here so that way you can see for yourself. And there you go. I think it turned out pretty fantastic. I'm going to do my eyeliner off camera and then come back and try the other products that I have for you today. The eye look is complete and everything. I'm happy with the way it turned out. I like the way the eyeliner turned out as well for once. It didn't go all crazy. Go me. I'm going to try the lip gloss from the Crystal Cavern collection. It's a green shade and it smells very weird. It smells very mysterious. And I'm going to try it on because it's a green shade, so I'm like, I don't know. That's how it looks like right there. That's how it looks. Dipping in again. Feels very cheap. I'm going to say that. It doesn't feel very high quality to me. It feels sort of sticky, real sticky. Not a fan of this one. Could have been a little bit better. I like the iridescentness of the product though. I like that it gives you a nice shimmer if you're not wearing a bold lip color. I think this would be best if it was on top of a really nice bold matte lip color. This would give you a nice little hint of sheen and just a little bit of shine and iridescence to your lip gloss. Maybe like a little fun little look. This one is in the shade Jade, in case you're wondering. For the final touch, I'm using the face mist from the collection. It doesn't have a name. Aurora Booster. So this will give you a hint of glow to your face. It's a setting spray, I believe. I hope it's a setting spray. And I'm going to spray on a little bit. It smells like the pre-cleanse from Dermalogica. Fan a little bit here so that way I don't blind myself. It smells pretty good. It's a fresh scent. Did it add any glow to my face? I don't know. But I'm hoping that it's a setting spray. It's a face mist, so I'm hoping that it's a setting spray. I have to look into that a little bit more. So far what I tried from the collection is pretty good. There's a little bit of notches, but it's okay. I really like it. I like the eyeshadow palette. I just wish that the pigment would come up onto the brush a little bit more easily. And the face mist, make sure that you put if it's a setting spray or not. My little thing. Just a few little things here and there. Not really big issues. I really recommend that you try the products out for yourself. Online there's a huge range on wetnwild.com of other various Crystal Cavern products to choose from. I will link that down below. Thank you so much for watching my Crystal Cavern collection review. I know it's a little bit different than what I usually do, but it's okay. If you like the video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. There's a lot more videos on the way, so please be on the lookout for those uploads. And while you're here, don't forget to press that notification bell, and you'll be notified when I post new videos, which is every Wednesday and Saturday Pacific Standard Time. Sometimes they're a little bit late coming out. I'm super excited to share with all of you that I'm a ambassador for Liv Beauty Box, and I have a referral link down below in the description and a coupon code LIV10 for your very own beauty box. I will be reviewing the beauty box when I get it in the coming week, so you can see for yourself what you get in the box. All of us will do an unboxing together basically of that product. And I have a new Ipsy bag coming in, so a lot of new products, a lot of new adventures, and a lot of new things on the horizon that I'm super excited about. As always, I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye everyone.